Today we'll talk about how can you enable course notifications on your Threads app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, just go down, clicking this sign down here. Sorry, when you just click in this sign here, it's going to take you to your profile. Go above this sign, click on it. You come to next here, then you click here on notifications. Then you click here on Threads into replace, just click on it. So then you go down, just keep going down. You click here on additional options in system settings. Down here, just click on it. So then you click on notification categories down here. Then you go down, just come here to cards, just click in this sign. Like you see this color show for us, that's mean here cards notifications enabled with us now. So that's all you have to do. I wish you know you're accurate. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.